A single on-time payment can start building a credit history if the account reports to the major credit bureaus. That means you do not need years of borrowing before your credit profile begins to grow. You need the right account, consistent payments, and enough time for those payments to be reported. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest practical way to build credit from zero, and the mistakes that slow the process down. The fastest approach is to open one account that reports to all three major credit bureaus and make every payment on time. If you can qualify, a secured credit card is usually the simplest option because you provide a refundable security deposit that becomes your credit limit. If you do not want a credit card, a credit builder loan is another option because your payments are also reported to the credit bureaus. Once the account is open, use it every month. You do not need to spend a lot. Put one small recurring bill on the card, like a streaming subscription or phone bill, then pay the balance by the due date. That creates a record of on-time payments, which is one of the biggest factors in building credit. The next step is to avoid hurting your progress. Do not miss payments, even once. A late payment can stay on your credit report for years, and can be much harder to recover from than building good history in the first place. Also avoid maxing out your card. Keeping your balance low compared to your credit limit makes your credit profile look healthier. If you have no credit history at all, becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's credit card may also help, provided the card issuer reports authorized users to the credit bureaus, and the primary account has a strong payment history. That should support your own credit building plan, not replace it. Finally, check your credit reports regularly to make sure your new account is reporting correctly. If your payments are not appearing after a reasonable reporting period, contact the lender before assuming something is wrong. Monitoring your reports also helps you catch errors early. The fastest way to build credit from zero is simple. Open a credit building account that reports to the major bureaus, pay every bill on time, and keep your balances low. Start with one account instead of several. Stay consistent every month, and let your payment history grow naturally. If this helped you, check your eligibility for a credit building product that fits your situation, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more straightforward credit tips.